double angle identities. With the help of double angle identities, we will find the value of sine 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, tan 2 alpha when the value of one trigonometric ratio is given, which is sine alpha. So before starting the question, let's see what are the double angle identities of sine, cos and tan. Sine alpha is equals to 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Cos 2 alpha is equals to cos square alpha minus sine square alpha. Cos 2 alpha is also equals to 2 cos square alpha minus 1. And we have another formula for cos 2 alpha, which is 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. Whereas tan 2 alpha is equals to 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha. The proof of these three formulas are very easy. If you want me to drive it for you, you can give me the suggestion in the comment section. I will make a video on the proof of these double angle identities. So let's start with our today's topic. So using the fundamental identity of trigonometry, which is sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equals to 1. From here we can separate out the value of cos square alpha, which is equals to 1 minus sine square alpha. Then cos square alpha is equals to 1 minus the value of sine alpha is 12 over 13 whole square, which is equals to 1 minus the square of 12 is 144 and the square of 13 is 169. So cos square alpha is equals to, now we will take LCM, 169. So 169 1 times minus 144, the simple method of taking LCM. Now 169 minus 144 is equals to 25 and this 169 will be written as it is. So the value of cos square alpha is equals to 25 over 169. But we want the value for cos alpha simply, so we will take square root on both sides. So square will be cancelled out with this square root and we have cos alpha is equals to 5 and 169, the square root of 169 is 13. We have a plus and minus sign, but since alpha lies in the first quadrant where all trigonometric ratios are positive, so we will ignore the negative sign and will consider only the positive sign. So from here we have the value of cos alpha. So we will put the values in the formula. Sine 2 alpha is equals to 2 sine alpha cos alpha. So this is 2. The value of sine alpha is 12 over 13. The value of cos alpha is 5 over 13. So we have put the values in the formula. 12 5 times is 60 and 62 times is 120 over 13 into 13 means 169. So the value of sine 2 alpha is 120 over 169. Now to calculate the value of cos 2 alpha, which is equals to, we can take any formula. Let me consider 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. So this is equals to 1 minus 2. The value of sine alpha is 12 over 13. So 12 over 13 whole square, which is equals to 1 minus 2. First we will take the square and then we will multiply the answer with this 2. The square of 12 is 144 and the square of 13 is 169. So 1 minus 144 2 times is 288 divided by 169. Now we will take LCM. 169. So this is 169 minus 288. So a bigger number is subtracted from a smaller number. So we will have a negative sign, and this subtraction is equals to 119 over 169. So this is the value for cos 2 alpha. Last we have to find the value of tan 2 alpha. We can find the value of tan 2 alpha either by using the double angle identity, which is tan 2 alpha is equals to 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha, or you can find by using tan 2 alpha is equals to sin 2 alpha over cos 2 alpha. We will find the value of tan 2 alpha by using the double angle identity in this question. Tan alpha is equals to sin alpha over cos alpha. The value of sin alpha is 12 over 13 and the value of cos alpha is 5 over 13. So 13 and 13 will be cancelled out, and the value of tan alpha is 12 over 5. Now we will use the formula, which is tan 2 alpha is equals to 2 tan alpha over 1 minus tan square alpha. Now 2 12 time is 24 over 5 divided by 1 minus the square of 12 is 144 over the square of 5 is 25. This is we have 24 divided by 5 over, now we will take LCM, which is 25. So 25 minus 144. This is equals to 24 divided by 5 over 25 minus 144, which is equals to minus 119 divided by 25. So this is we have 24 divided by 5, and changing the division sign into multiplication we will take reciprocal, and we have minus 25 over 119. So 5 times is 25, 24 5 times is 120, minus sign will be written as it is, and we have 119 written as it is. So this is the value for tan 2 alpha. Minus 120 over 119.